Guys, welcome back. This is the second part of the how to identify the genuine breakout and what are the mistake that you should not repeat while trading with this order flow. And here right now we have the imbalance cluster chart and plotted on this bank nifty chart. So the previous way that I have explained is that there are some static sellers, that's passive sellers, sorry, they're not the statics. There are some passive seller, that means a limit seller, right? And limit sellers are place their orders at this time, and the thing that we need to identify that this is a genuine breakout or fake breakout, we need to see the sellers numbers of on these candles, and similar to the second attempt of this candle, if the sellers numbers were completely decreasing, that means we can see this complete breakout to the upside. If it is not, then the market may reversal from here, right? In the previous one more video of our imbalance chart, I have already explained you what are these types of rather the left side what we consider and right side what we consider, right? If you don't know what are these, then I do please suggest that go and watch that video. That will give you some information that why I have told you that the limit sellers are this side, right? So okay, then what I'm explaining here is we need to observe what are these limit sellers, the numbers are increasing or decreasing at this time, right? Whenever the number is the sellers, the limit sellers number is decreasing, that means the buyers are in a strength, then we may expect the market upside. And there is one more thing that to explain, that whenever you see the market is a downtrend, when the first time attempt the limit buyers number has been decreased at this time, that we called as a passive buyers has been decreasing, then we may expect the market may come down. Or if again the markets, the buyers were increasing, then we may expect the market go up, right? So this is one type of identifying this breakout, but there is one more type that we have, but I don't know either it is available in this Indian market because there are two softwares who do provide this data. One is Bookmap and another is Contour. So let me show you what is exactly that we call a heat map. So let me show you on the screen that how it will going to look like. I think I need to open the previous yeah, here it is. See, when you use the order flow, at that time we see only market order executed data, not the limit data. So that will going to change a lot of things while trading, because the big players, they are handling the market and they will trade until the price will come to them. So in the market, the supply and demand, either you say or support or resistance, or you say or the liquidity, you say, you use the any word to get the moment in the market, they create, not us. So for that, these Bookmap and Contour has providing this data to identify where exactly the limit buyers or sellers are sitting and what price and what volume, right? These kind of all data will going to provided by this heat map. So if I'm not wrong, previously I have seen some of these videos about this heat map and Contour. They have been providing only 5 depth market, if I'm not wrong. If they have changed this, then please let me know us in this comment, then we will make some videos about that also. But here exactly what is the use of these bars and how to identify and how you can trade that, right? So the first thing is, rather than using the market profile, volume profile, the any support or resistance that you personally use, these are the best support and resistance based on this volume, which is a live, which is a place, which is the punch on this already market that will show you the heat map, right? There is one more fun fact about this chart I am going to show you. Do you see these color variants right now on the screen? If yes, then that's great. I'm going to show you the exact reason of using those color variants. So see here, this dark red color denotes that the maximum numbers has been punched on that candle. So when it is getting the lighter, like red to orange and getting the blue, that means either the order is filling or they are cancelling the order. Means this level is not more stronger or getting weaker. In the same way at this bottom also. So when you know that this will going to give you a proper breakout, when all these bubbles order were filling these levels, right, and this color is getting lighter and lighter, that shows that this support is no more stronger. In the same way, I will show you the another example, that here, look at this on this price over here. Do you see this number or this block has been started filling at a lighter blue, and again it's becoming orange and then red? What does it mean? So this is a creating a next level resistance. You can look at here, a highest number of order has been placed at the limit order, and this will become the resistance to this uptrend. So rather than waiting to go market over here, you can just exit from here. So bookmap and contour heat map, this chart will literally going to show you the limit order has been punched on which price. It will going to show all these heat maps and lines, either the orders are increasing or they have been removing the orders, or orders were filling, absorptions and exhaustion. These all data will going to help you while trading with this bookmap and contour heat map. So if you really want to know how to trade with this, they are free strategy on a bookmap YouTube video, then you can go and punch there. Mostly if you are from India, and you will not get that much of data. If I'm not wrong, I have seen that only 5 tires, only 5 depth market data what we are getting. So if you are from somewhere outside of this India, then this indicator may generate you a lot of money. You can easily identify what is the support and what is the resistance. So you can easily you can sell at this top and buy at this bottom. So I hope this video was helpful for you to identify the best way to identify the geniun breakout and how to trade with that, and what are those most advanced tools. So this is all about today. Thank you for watching this video.